Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, from the ear device on the nose, here one and only Atafa the Press, and I'm back again with another video. So, a police corporal was shot and injured, but managed to hit one of his attackers, killing him in what was an attempted robbery Sunday morning in Sydenham in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. My wisdom warriors, no see appear things are going on the Sunday. What really are going on? What really going on? First, God knows, then Christopher Tufton. No police corporal was shot. Lord Jesus. Well, them say he hit one of the attackers and the attackers passed away. So, my wisdom warriors, there you go. This happened in a Sydenham in a Spanish Town. Also, it has come to my attention that the police are probing attempted arson at Garden House. So right now, police are probing a case of attempted arson at Garden House, the seat of Jamaica's parliament in downtown Kingston, Saturday night. A representative from the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Network confirmed that the incident took place around 10:28 p.m. Box cover. So we get it early in the morning, that time a Saturday night it happened. Mighty God. Well, my wisdom warriors, to me, this seems like it is a distraction. Uno know say Andrew Holness also want to build House of Parliament. Uno know say Andrew want a new House of Parliament. Me did show it over here. I think maybe last year, maybe September, them time there, me did come and me talk about it. Andrew Holness want a new building and Mark Golden is not happy about it because apparently the building with them in and nothing wrong with it, The building is going strong and the building is fine. No changes, nothing needed to done to the building. You understand? But Andrew Holness want new House of Parliament, big old dirty place where costs millions or billions of dollars. Wanna feel a joke thing? My wisdom warriors. And Marky G tell them say the people of Jamaica need the money. So why not give the money to Jamaican people? Because a lot of people is suffering and a lot of things need to be done. And Andrew Holness not depend that. Andrew Holness say he need a parliament. Me tell you say Andrew Holness have a plan for parliament. He have a plan, because him want to be the prime minister or the president for the next 20 years. He did say it. He did mention it. You understand? So he want to remain prime minister for the next 20 years. This is why he come up with this House of Parliament, new House of Parliament. Why would you want to build a parliament? Why would you want to build a parliament to just go in there, go stand up and nothing wrong with the parliament? My wisdom warriors, take in this. My wisdom warriors, look for Andrew Holness' new parliament. Hey, you see how for him dream and wishes them big and wide. Look for Andrew Holness' dreams. I feel him dreams that, saying one House of Parliament, new House of Parliament, and where am I going to do groundbreaking and all these things. And Mark Golden wasn't approve of this. Mark Golden not approve it. Mark Golden said, why you going to build parliament when nothing is not wrong with the one where we in when we can use the money and the more constructive things? This is what Mark Golden said to the man. But Andrew Holness on the point that he like for waste taxpayer money, because guess what? He get it free. He get it free. And the people them want to benefit from taxpayers' money aren't benefiting from it. And it is not right. This is why Andrew Holness need to go. Not do the parliament, and my wisdom warriors. Not a thing not do the parliament. You understand me? No do the parliament. No, them are going to use this now and say how parliament burn up on one bag of sitting. Because you want to continue with this. This is Andrew Holness' dreams. So wait there. One of the things that Andrew Holness are going to really build new parliament and not even staying at that. Hey, me telling you something. You know, I'm going to go so with Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness, I go fight till the very end, my wisdom warriors. Seriously, look at Andrew Holness' dreams. Blows and skirt me, I tell you about this, man. Yeah. Anytime I do nothing, it's for himself. And him alone I benefit from it. Nobody else. Jamaican people, how the Jamaican people benefit from that now? When I go take up taxpayer money, wait there. When I'm not tired for waste taxpayer money. You know why I'm not tired? Because Jamaican people allow no to get away with it. Yeah, and nobody now said nothing about it. Mighty God. Only Mr. Mark Golding stand up and said no. No to Andrew Holness, and Andrew Holness till I get on with it. My wisdom warrior, hear this. The government is hitting top gear in its drive to construct a new parliament building on lands in National Heroes Park. Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Wednesday told a multi-stakeholder meeting that the project, which includes a parliament building, the National Heroes Park redevelopment, and the government campus, is to be declared a national strategic project as part of a master plan to redevelop downtown Kingston. A news release from Jamaica Information Service, JIS, the state news agency, stated. According to Holness, Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark is expected to seek parliamentary approval for the project by the end of May, after the cabinet made a decision to declare it a national strategic project. This was last year, my wisdom warriors. Last year. You understand? And Mark Golding said no, because with them there, nothing wrong with it. Why Andrew Holness want going a big top shot in Parliament? Me say, yeah, red. True, because he does travel up and down on a diplomatic passport. He does not have nothing to do with in life. Everywhere going to say big building. How the MP them in them big building. You know, say Andrew ready eye, he ready eye bad. And taxpayer money always there for take care of Andrew Holness' life. Seriously, anything Andrew Holness want, a taxpayer money always take care of it. I do not know. I do not understand this man. A full time for this man need for go. This man need for lift up. My wisdom warriors, he need for go. Oh no, say Andrew Holness dreams. No, sir. Hear more. For Parliament, we await two approvals. One is the approval to bill, and the other is to bill using a strategic project cover. The strategic project has to be declared through the Minister of Finance, and I am told by the Financial Secretary that has been sent to the drafters, and you should have that back next week. I know me not hear them mention nothing about opposition leader, you know. I know me not hear. Then just get up and do as them like, do as them please. And nobody enough say nothing. So let's say by the end of May, the minister should be able to come to Parliament with the order, and hopefully as well by the end of May, we should have in hand the cabinet submission. Holness told the stakeholders during a meeting at the Jamaica House on Wednesday. He noted that the cabinet approval is also needed for, among other things, land acquisition regarding a new parking facility for the finance ministry. Lord Jesus. Me I tell you about this, man. I tell you about this, man. Nigel Clark, him always a run from the media, and him are the one in control of the money. Andrew Holness does have him upside down like a headless chicken. Take taxpayer money and I use it and I fling all over the blasted place. And the people them at Jamaica need help. A lot of people in Jamaica need help. A lot of people is suffering. So I would like them to use the money and do something constructive for the Jamaican people. Mighty God, you know what? You see the way how my son waste money? Might as well every week or every month, give Jamaican people money. You don't need to give them money. There's a lot of people out of job. You have a lot of baby mother. You have a lot of elderly people, pensioner, disabled people. Them need money. So might as well take the money and give to them. Have it up and down. I use it how you want. This is very disturbing. Very. In the meantime, one of the country's leading architects is estimating that the construction of the building and landscaping of the grounds will cost some $2 billion, approximately million US dollar. Blows and skirt. Without a doubt, it would cost 2 billion or more. Of course, depending on the specifics, the intricacies of the design and such, it could cost more, but there is no way it is going to cost less than that, said the architect that don't want to be named. My wisdom warriors, no sir. Wanna see how much a taxpayer money Andrew Wallace like for use in loving at the billions, you see? Oh, and then they say Jamaica na no money. Then the labor right them I talk about Jamaica na have money. Me tell you, they have money. Where they get all these money from? Where they get all this money from the waste? How comes they find money when it come to feed them? Thing what them want do. When it come to them, they find the money. And when it come to poor people, money ever done. My wisdom warriors, we have to look into things. We have to look into things. And on saying that, the illicit 6, I said it before, I'm going to say it again. The illicit 6 is due to call out in a June. You understand? So I don't know what kind of distraction is this. You understand me? I do not know what them... Because now, you know, then try to distract everybody with Marky G British book. Now everybody a go hard pa Matu Samuda. Them a try to take the pressure off of Matu, off of the liquor guy. And so Marky G call him the liquor guy. So we are going to call him the liquor guy. So we are going to take the distraction off of the liquor guy and put it on Garden House and put it on Christopher Tufton. I do not know my wisdom warriors, but something is really smelling fishy. You understand? Something not right. Something is really not right, my wisdom warriors. And we have to read between the lines. This man is up to something and he up to no good. Andrew Wellness, he's up to no good. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about it. Tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, please remember, a lot of people was asking for my PayPal and my PayPal is running across. If you want to bless me up at any time, feel free to do so. The link of my PayPal is going to be in my comment section and it also is going to be in the description. Also, follow me on TikTok and IG. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.